Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna be talking about how to create custom collection view with image and title and text. So from this video we switch to iOS 12 and Swift 4.2 and Xcode 10. Also, you need to know always you can find link to the source code of the project in comments. Yeah, and we're gonna start our project, but as usual, I'll show you how will be our output. So we will have one collection view like this with picture, title, and description. Also, this will be, match with both, portrait and landscape orientation. Okay, so let's go and start our project. So I go and create file, new project. Yeah, single view app, and I name it iOS Swift UI Collection View, and let's name it dynamic custom 01. Okay, so I create this one and in final iOS Swift, yes, and it said exist. Yes, go and replace it. So this is the brand new one. So right away we will go to our view in main storyboard. We're gonna add our collection view and also customize it. So as you see, now we can choose our library from here. So I tap on it and then I click on it, and then I come here, and here I just type collection view and drag my collection view here, and I say my collection view being tied to all corners with 0 constraints, so it's gonna stick to all corners. And then choose my cell of this collection which is already there, and let me make it a little bit bigger to come and sit in the middle. Okay, and here I need to name this, give it identifier. I give identifier cell to this cell to later in program we're gonna use it. Okay, also I need one controller for my cell because I want to make it customized. So I choose Cocoa Touch class, and here I'll from this menu I use UI, sorry, not UI collection view, come on, yeah, UI collection view cell. So I choose this one and name my class collection view cell, and then I say next, yes, inside my project directory, and here we go. So we have this one. So I come back to a storyboard. So what I need to do, I need to say that this cell controller custom class will be collection view cell. Okay, let's make this cell and then start to connect item. So for this cell, I'm gonna put one image here in this top corner, and for this image I just need to say what is the size. So I control drag from this image to cell and say equal width, also control drag equal height, and also control drag from image to itself, and add one aspect ratio, and then here I come to size inspector when I select image, and here I can edit this because I said equal width, but not equal exactly. It's supposed to be something less than half. So 4.0, 40%. And for high, I say, you know what, I'm gonna remove high because I use already wide and aspect ratio. So in ratio, now I just say multiple 1 to 1. So width and height gonna be equal. So now I told that, you know what, gonna be size of this image. Okay, now I just choose my image and I say I want to stick my image with 4 space constraint to top and left. Okay, now you will see that image sitting in the, you know, where I'm looking for to be. Okay, also I'm gonna add 2 more image, and these ones here, and actually not here, gonna come here, come be at the top left side. But for this image, again, I say equal width and equal height, and when I choose it, I say no, again equal height, no, just width. So I just say yes, but this one gonna be much smaller, so it's gonna be 10%. And also I'm gonna add one aspect ratio and say, yeah, aspect ratio be 1 to 1. Okay, I need another copy of this one. Let me put this here, and Command C and Command V, another copy with same, yeah, another copy with same you know, constraints. And here I just say, okay, now go and stick this, you know what, I made a mistake. I don't need the image, so excuse me, I'm gonna have to delete this too, and I use button. Yeah, it's a button. I just want to add 2 button. Now I'm not gonna use it in this video. In the next video we will use it. So yeah, this button, and I say this button to itself aspect ratio, and button to cell equal width, and then I come to size inspector, and here in aspect ratio I say 1 to 1, and for equal width I say 0.1. okay, now it's good. So Command C, Command V, so 2 button, and I'm gonna stick this button to the top left corner. So how? I just come here and add 2 constraint with 4 and 4 to top and right, sorry, and so this one gonna sit exactly beside the other one, and so this one I say, yeah, 4 constraint with top and right. Okay, so let me come here. First of all, I'm gonna remove this text here, not button. It's gonna be D, means of delete, and this one gonna be E for erase, or sorry, edit. Yeah, so yeah, here let me make sure that it is exactly where I am looking for. So you will see that this item, you know, from margin, yeah, trailing of this with trailing this 4 constraint, that's okay. And for this one, 1 to ratio 1 to 1, So this one deleting, yeah, trailing. Okay, that's correct. So now I'm gonna add my labels. So I need to label. The first one gonna be title, and the second one gonna be details. Yeah, so for this one I just say connect from top with 4 constraint, from left with 4, and from right and left with 4, but not with button yet. So yeah, it's sitting here. And for this label I just say yes, so 4 from each side. Okay, and also this one, I'm gonna say 0 line, so it's gonna could be multi-line. But this one, yeah, same line, just I make font of it a little bit bigger, something like 24. Also I make it to be center. Yeah, but this one right on the left side as well. Okay, so we are good for this. We just need to connect. So I choose my cell and I tap on assistant editor. This is supposed to open cell, controller for cell, because we make it, but it's not coming here. So I'll go to manual. I'll go to manual and go to my project directory and choose collection view cell. Okay, now I'm gonna close this and I'll connect all of these to my cell controller. So this one, so from image, control drag, here you go, and I name it image view, and from this label I make it title view, and from this one I name it description. Oh, let's make it shorter, so details view. Also we have 2 button here, so for these 2 button I just say control drag to here, and so del button view, and from this one edit button view. Okay, and also let's do it now to have it. So what else I need for this one? I make action as well. So I say action. What are gonna be action? So delete or del action, and for this one, yeah, I make an action and I name it edit action. Okay, so we made all of the connection for cell now, and I believe we are good. So I'm gonna close this, and let me go to collection view, make it a little bit sort and clean. Okay, so we are good for this one. Now I'll go to view controller. Here I need to add one connection, so I say at IB outlet week and variable and name it collection view from type of UI collection view. Of course, I'm gonna make it wrap it to won't be nil at all. Okay, so here also I need some data to show in my collection. If you've been subscribed, later you will see that we fill out this data from plists in next videos, but for now I give it array for each of them. Okay, so but also I need to do some more code, but before that I do connection. I make connect my collection view. So here if I come now, I type that part, that text. So if I come here, I have this collection view here. If because I wrote this line IB outlet, that's made Xcode to, when you choose your table view, when you choose your view controller, you have this one. So from here I can just control drag to this one. So now this is connected, and also for if I select sorry, my collection view, here I will see delegate and data source, so I can connect this one to my I need to actually connect this one to my collection view, or the other way, you can control drag from here to your this red yellow button and choose which delegate you want to be. So this is now delegate for, yeah, I choose wrong, so I need to choose, yeah, so control drag to this yellow button, so data source, yeah. It should be view controller. Okay, but I'll do this part in with code as well. So if we come here in view did load, we can when we have connected, so we say collection view that delegate equal self, collection view that data source equal self. So what these two lines say, and what we did actually, we connect our collection view to view controller, but here we say that self, which is this view controller, gonna be delegate for this collection view class. So we have collection view. I don't, but I'm gonna add it here. So UI collection view delegate and UI collection view data source. So for these two protocols that I add here, for these two superclass I added here, I tell that this view controller will be delegate for them. There will be someone that represent them, so help us to connect this too. Because when here we will write something extra that they cannot put it in here. They put lots of protocol here in there, but methods, now we can use those methods, and this gonna make this one officially to be able to use them. Okay, so a little bit confused, but don't worry, we'll go forward and you will learn it. Okay, so now I add these two, but tell me it's need to be confirm means that I need to add some function here. Okay, what gonna be those function? The first one will be number of sections, so I just say number of section 1. It could be more, but for now we will go 1 to keep it simple. The other one will be number of items in section. So in any sections, how many items you want to put there, I just say this one, you know, this I believe 7, yeah, so gonna be 7, but to keep it dynamic I use this one, so I just say title and F and I count this. So this number will be number of the section and number of items in section, and here I'm gonna write a loop for that, which is ready method, and here it's signature of that. So here I just start to make it. So I'm gonna make cell here from collection view yeah, I should say let cell equal collection view dot dq reusable cell identifier cell and index path for index. But you may say, what's this cell? Yeah, if you remember, when we made our cell when we made our cell here, we gave it an identifier in attribute inspector first line. Okay, so this is same cell. If you change that one here, you need to change it, but it's not the end of the story. I need to say that you made this, but this gonna be customized, so I just say as, and I wrap it to be not nil at all. Collection view cell, which is that controller we made. Here's a return, cell, missing cell, so returning. So I'm gonna return that cell now, but I need to make it before I return it, but then I will get rid of this. Okay, so usually what I do I just say let cell index equal index path dot height to avoid confusion, because usually for table view we use row, and for this one we use item. So to avoid confusion I write I make it as a constant here. Another constant we can make here, no, I'm not gonna do this one now. So I just say cell dot delete button view is hidden. I just say yes, true, and cell dot edit button view is hidden, yes, true. So I just hide them. In next video we gonna play with this and make our control view editable, and or show you how you can make it editable and delete, add edit and delete to this. But for now I'm gonna add my make my cell. So I just say cell dot image view dot image equal image f and index cell index, and so cell dot title view dot text equal title dot f and again index paths. Not index path, cell index. If I say cell index path, I need to call item in there. And finally, cell dot details view dot text equal description f and again cell index. So I made all of those to be here. So I have my cell completed now, and I have my customized view controller. So let's start and see how will be our, oh, I forgot to stop that one. It's gonna run it over the previous one that we had. So let's see. Oh, I may, yeah, it goes to open it in iPhone XR. I don't want to do that. I just close this one, and also let me go to my collection view. Already I have it running here, so I just stop this one. Now I come back to my current collection view and run this one. No, just wait. On iPhone 8 Plus, which I have simulator already open. Yeah, here we go. So, and choose this one. Let me close this. Yeah, here we go. It's gonna come run it here. You will see install and run. Yeah, here you go. And yeah, you will see it will be like this. Yeah, exactly. Aesthetically, I just made it, some change in it. So let's go and follow that. But I don't want like this. I want to make it more, customized and more, sorted. So what I need to do? Yeah, it's easy. We can add one file. Actually, let's add one file here. We say one single Swift file, and we name it extensions. Usually I put my extensions in this file, and this is line extensions. Okay, and here just say extension of view controller here, UI collection. Doesn't help me, yes, because here it's foundation. I make this UI kit, so now it will help me to fill this out. Yeah, collection view delegate. No, I just want to say collection view delegate, yes, but after that final layout. So let's see what UI collection view FlowLayout protocol define method that let you coordinate with UI object implement grade-based layout. So any change you can handle this. So I come here. They're gonna see it for function. The first one is gonna be in set for section. Not this one. It should be collection view and lay out yes, layout collection view layout, and I believe, yeah, let's see if it's this one. No, not this one. Let me try again. So let me save this one and come back here. Here I just say in set for inset for section inset for section yeah. You know what, let me, I have it typed. I'll go and pick it up from here, and here we go. These four functions come here. So collection view inset for, you know, with this format. This one say, you know, what gonna be size of, you know, corner, you know, edge of you know, insets. So I just say all of them 5. Here in this one we just make our cell size. So here I've said, you know, half of the page, and so also I made -10 because of these two 5 equal gonna be -10, and this one we say 0 and 10. So these 4 functions gonna sit there, and oh, now I know why it's not helping me. This one was not yeah, it should be like this. Then it help us to find correct you know, methods. Anyway, so we done this part, and let's just with adding this extension, you will see now we run our project to see, you know, what will be our output. Now it's much better. You will see it's you know, gets divided, but you know, in half, and make it, and if I rotate it, it will be, you know, you know, it's a minimum size of the wide or hide each one, just make it half of it. So yeah, but I want to make it a little bit even much you know, more customized. So what I do, I just come here and I make some more customization. Yeah, here in my cell I'm gonna give it border, I'm gonna give it shadow. So let's say cell dot content view dot layer dot corner radius. I'll just say 10. Cell dot content view dot layer dot border width is gonna be 1.0. Cell dot content view dot layer dot border color. I just say UI color dot blue, but this is UI color format. I need to convert it to CG color for border color. Also here I just yeah, make background color for cell. So I just cell dot background color. I just say UI color dot C should be capital. UI color dot white. Okay, and let me give a shadow as well. So I just say cell dot layer dot shadow color. It will be UI color dot gray. Yeah, give it, let's give it yellow. No, gray, and this should be CG color format. Also, I just say cell dot layer dot shadow offset will be CG size dots, not dots, width and high. Yeah, load. So it's 0.0 and high 2.0, for example, and cell dot layer dot shadow radius 2.0, cell dot layer dot shadow opacity, I just say 1.0, cell dot layer dot mask to bounds will be not masks so false. And here I just say cell dot layer dot path, shadow path. So shadow path I use UI BezierPath with this signature. So rounded rectangle and corner radius cell. So yeah, I choose this one, and here I just set my cell dot bounds gonna be rectangle, and for this one just say cell dot contentView dot layer dot corner radius. So this is gonna be path for our shadow, and at the end I'm gonna convert it to CG paths. Okay, so we are all set, I believe. Let's run it and see what will be our output. So you saw that we made the collection view connected, and here we go. So this is all of the our cells. I was looking to have a white background. I think I made a mistake when I made background for that. So background color, and I believe blue coming from where? content view layer, border color. Oh shoot, here I wrote background color. I should write border color. Yeah, border color. Here we go. So now run it and see what will be our control view look like. Yeah, this is exactly I was trying to make. So here you go. You will have a beautiful collection view, and we have all control of size of cells, and customize cell in there as well. So I hope that's all for today. We will in other video we will make it, we will play more with this, but that's all for today. I hope you like it. If you like it, please make sure to give a thumbs up. Also please don't forget to subscribe for more video which are coming every day, and any question don't hesitate to ask in comments. And that's it. I wish the best for you and have a good one. Bye bye.